I think the industry continues to evolve and continues to become more IT-centric, right? So there are these global pressures around concepts of Internet of Things and big data, and oftentimes this industry doesn't know necessarily how to activate or deliver on those concepts. And so much of what we're doing and are hearing is customers are interested but unsure how to proceed in this new world. And that's really where Crestron shines. Because we have the largest end-to-end hardware solution in the world and we have the software management tools to deliver that data and information, it really actually comes together quite nice for us. What makes us different is our breadth, right? So the size of our organization, when you really get into accessing data and making powerful data decisions, you're only as smart as the sensors that are providing information into the database. So unlike a lot of industry companies and organizations that have little point solutions, we have two things going for us. First off, we fundamentally aggregate and connect disparate systems, right? Linking the video to the audio to the scheduling. So we're aggregating data, that's a key first step. Secondly, we have the broadest end-to-end video distribution system in the world. So we have the ability to reach into every space, not just the boardroom or the conference room, but down into the little huddle space or the cafe. All of that becomes important in this new ecosystem, in this new world. So from an employee standpoint, one of the keys is that as the real estate has changed, we've gone from a very simple view of private offices and cubicles and conference rooms and boardrooms to flexible work environments where I can work anywhere and everywhere throughout my day. We've pushed that complexity to the employee to figure out how do I find the spaces that are appropriate for what I'm trying to achieve, and then how do I actually navigate to them, right? In a large corporate environment, that's very difficult to do. So what Crestron does with our PinPoint application is we take all of that data and information that we have access to and we put it in the palm of their hands. And the simplest way we demonstrate that is by using proximity booking. What it allows me to do is when I pull up the PinPoint app, it only shows me the spaces that are closest to me. I can then filter based on the tools and technology that are in the space or the type of space, i.e. a huddle room for a quick chat versus a video conferencing room for an international discussion. I always get energized when we're pushing the envelope of new areas and new realms. You know, I've always been a change agent. I've always enjoyed the idea of saying, you know, how do we move from where we are today into a new realm that really addresses the needs in the future? And I think we're on the cutting edge of that right now.